All right. Good morning, cyber traders. Happy Friday, everybody. Hopefully, everybody's ready for the weekend. Good to see you, Michael, Lawrence, David, everybody. Looks like, oh my God, was this unbelievable? NVAX? You know what? Just when you think, COVID's dead, you get a stock that literally goes up at 150% after hours. It was up at 6, and all of a sudden, thing made a big run up. We're going to talk a little about NVAX too. Um, Kind of liked a lot of the iceberg orders on it. A lot of people starting to get out of it. I noticed there's a lot of orders out there and stuff like that. But yesterday it was a really the morning was kind of crappy, but we had some really good moves in the afternoon. And specifically, I want to talk about GameStop. Okay, but we're going to talk about these watch lists on a Friday and what's moving. But let's talk about GameStop. That was unbelievable. What was it? GME, right? So GameStop, I just want to bring it up. It's I don't know. We still don't know what the news is on the stock. Okay. We don't know if it started. It's another Wall Street bets, Reddit, you know, pump and dump thing, whatever it is, but it has done really great. Stock is up almost about 100% on the swing trade. On the day trade, you could see here yesterday. What a great pennant it had right here. Good move right at 230. And right in the afternoon meeting, you guys were there. We do the meetings live every morning. 9 o'clock and at 2:30. For some of you watching us live right now on YouTube, we're here every morning and in the afternoon. Great watch list. Did a little bit of a shake, kind of held there. Boom, 1640 all the way to a whopping 1820. It was a great trade, and hopefully a lot of you here in the afternoon got a little piece of it. Once again, that's why we're here. And that's, if like I said, there was not that much done and move in the morning, but when you had the afternoon, you had some really good moves. A couple of the stocks that made some big moves. CPOP was nice. It went up, it came down. I told you I didn't really like about it. It had that nice push and started making lower lows. Big thing I think we learned a lot about that is how to take quick little losses out of it. RDFM was another one that we traded yesterday that moved pretty nicely. Another good afternoon move. Had a nice little late run where it went from 650 up to 680. But the afternoon, 230, where it ran right from, it was hovering at the highs, which is what we're looking for. We cover that in class and how to find them. I think Josh talks about that a lot in phase 2. But yeah, 675 up to, I mean, it wasn't a huge winner. Went up to about 710. Not bad for a day's pay. That was pretty nice. DJT, another nice little mover right there. A little expensive though, but nice little pop right there on that one. Peloton, always kind of find a way to kind of make its way into our room. So we know the rumor on it. There's a rumor of a buy. Someone's looking to buy it out. It looks like it probably could stick. It was just pretty slow. You can see how it made a big move, here in the morning. I mean, we were pretty much done at 10:30, but that was it. And then it had that nice little 11 move right here from like 410 to 440. The issue I have right now is the most it's got to pass this 485. So there's not that much room left in it. All right. So let's just kind of look at it that way on a long term. TEDS was another one. Middle of the day news came out on that stock right there, 15 to 20. That was also cool. And the big one was, did you guys watch the video I did on Amazon yesterday? Everybody watched the video on Amazon? I posted them on a short. That stock had a really good pop right there. Came right to that big resistance. We'll have Rich post it up there for you guys to watch it again. But yeah, there was a big iceberg order. And then at the close, there was a 2 million share order that got filled. Someone dumped it right there. You got to watch. It was pretty cool. So, we saw that big iceberg order, 400,000 shares got executed at that 190. And now we saw this big order right here. So very interesting. We'll see how the stock opens up. Anyway, we did have Matt from Top Gun Options yesterday. He was talking a little bit about the options on it, how to trade it. If you missed that recording, it is on our dashboard. It is on our YouTube channel. We're going to send that archive. Go feel free to watch it there. All right. So anyway, what's going on for today? Because that's what it's all about, right? So listen, be very, very careful today because today's Friday. We always tell everybody Friday mornings are not always the greatest days. Kids are starting to, there's graduations going on. A lot of people are going away. A lot of people at my schools have older kids. And I went to go drop off my younger son today to school this morning. And it was like, wasn't that busy to get online to pick up to drop the kids off. So I'm not expecting it, earnings announcements is pretty much over. Remember, earnings are really big on like Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. Fridays, a couple of them this morning came out, so not that much going on out there. But we're gonna keep an eye on the NVAX. All right, NVAX, and NVAX was a really nice move this morning. You saw it was on the watch list this morning. Everybody saw that watch list this morning, right? We just posted up there again. You should have got the alerts, but we posted that watch list. It was right there. So that was on it. A couple of the stocks also are on it. We're going to check it out. But working our way down that. Oh, NVAX, right? So there was a big seller out here. I'm just showing you on here on level 4. And you can see right here that there's a ladder going in and right here around the 10, 10, 20. So there's people selling this. So it's having that tough time breaking that. So even though you had a big slingshot, people starting to come and sell it. That's why I'd be a little concerned about it. But they did cancel that order. We'll see if if it's a flash order, but I don't think so because you wouldn't be out there for an hour. But a lot of people don't know that. That's why you got to trade with the level 4 platform. So we got the NVAX, we got the solar stock ITOS. Volume is okay. Spread is ugly. Very big spread. So I'm going to pass on this one right now. LIDR. This one's also a lot of volume. Got some big orders here, 185. A big order just got filled on the bid at 160. That's really right here where we're at. LIDR. We'll put that on the watch list. Looks like a very nice tradable stock. Good volume, good volatility. Listen, we don't want to get crazy on a Friday, okay? Another stock that's up pretty big today, too. A lot of volume, 6.5 million shares. This stock looks like it's everywhere. It did a big slingshot early this morning, and now it's starting to come back down. I'm seeing orders drying up on it right here. So I'm not seeing too many. I'm seeing a lot more sellers and buyers on it right now. AEMD. Put it on the B list. This one just showed up here also, 3 million shares. The spread looks pretty sketchy. We'll put this on the B list. Like the volume, though, 3.5 million. Wistia, we've been trading this stock a lot. Wistia treated pretty well. A lot of you know how to trade it. You should have it on your journals. Let's put Wistia on the watch list, WISA. That one's not bad. What else we got over here? These are too expensive. All right, 16%. El-Ray. Those are like all earnings. Soons. I know that one was earnings. Okay, that one looks like it's up a little bit right now, and but it's not really going anywhere pre-market. But we'll put it on the watch list because that's what we do if we don't feel like that we don't find too much out there. This stock took a very big hit. It's on an uptrend this morning. This probably could be a good dead cat bounce. Let me go check on level 4. IMDR. I love that. I love stocks that get crushed and then they come back like that. Maybe you get a dead cat bounce on it. Not really seeing too many orders out there. MNDR. We'll put that one also on there. What else did I have over here? That's about it, right? All right, losers. Anyone getting crushed? Ooh, that's a smack in the face. Look at that. 16 down to 4. Got a big support level going back in the beginning of the year. Let's go check the orders. MGNX. Is this a bottom fish right here? Right? Why not? Let's go check. Maybe. Yeah, I'm seeing some orders coming in here. Right? Got some orders here. Why am I going back more than 2 hours? Load some more data here. We got some orders out here, 13,000, 8,000. Not bad. I'll put that on the wall. We might get a dead cat bounce on this one. MGNX. We'll see how she opens up. This one you can't short. This one, Mavis is done. New York Stock Exchange. Are we getting a little bit of a push on this SG? New York Stock Exchange. Don't really like the spread. This one, I don't like the spread. No, don't like the spread. Horrible looking chart. Losers. Nothing on the losers on the New York. Okay, so got a pretty decent list. Once again, we're going to take this list. We're going to put it on our social panel. So make sure you subscribe to our Twitter, X, our Instagram. We'll have this list go on there. We'll also put on the alerts. Hopefully, if you're in the trading room, you can get the alerts also. But just be very careful. It's Friday. You do not want to get cocky on days like today. Today's more of a nickels and dimes day. But if something is moving, we'll go out there. Chris, yeah, the roadblocks from yesterday too. Yeah, that one, let me bring it up. RBLX. So Roblox got crushed yesterday. It could be a dead cat bounce. It did come back a little bit. Just remember, Roblox, Christopher, it's like a category 4. No, maybe a 3. 4 it could be, but you could see just by the spread. We'll put Roblox on the watch list because I know some of you here are a little bit more advanced and need something a little bit more volatile. This might be up your alley, but we'll throw Roblox. But thanks for sharing that. Good morning to you, Mark. Good to see you. Anybody else? Anything else that we're missing? I did not call out. Anything else? Just be careful of the NVAX, okay? The stock is going to be extremely volatile, and it's only pre-market. All right. So we did post the news on it on NVAX. Where is it? Right here. Something with that COVID vaccine. Just post the news up right there. So here we put it on social media so you guys out there know what I'm talking about. That's the news that came out on it. And there's the news on that. So you guys have it right there. All right, guys. All right, let's get ready for the market up. We got about 15 minutes before we're going to go live in 15 minutes. We're going to broadcast me and Josh. It's going to be the Power Hour. All right, we'll see you then. Go fill up your coffees. If you're on social media, you can take your phone. You can scan that little QR code, which, by the way, it's not up there. I don't know what happened to it. Hold on one second. Oh, there it is. Let me post that QR code. So if you guys want to come and join us in the trading room, just click that little top left-hand corner, scan it with your phone, and we'll see you in the trading room, all right? Or you can just visit our website, go to ctus.co/trial. So we'll see you there. If I don't see the rest of you, you did well this morning. Enjoy your weekend. That's why we're here. Make your money and run, and we'll see you bright on Monday. But for the rest of us, we'll see you in about 15 minutes when the market opens up. Good luck, trade safe, and let's have a good open.